Hello everyone, greetings. My name is Christopher. I am the creator of the FUE TradePilot application. Okay, the essence of the application is to guide the user on analyzing the Forex or crypto market. Okay, so it is not to replace your own analysis. It is meant to guide you as a user to analyze any currency pair, to know the direction of the market, and it will give you trade setups based on the probability of the trade playing out. That is high, medium, or low probability setups. Okay, so that being said, let me just walk you through on how the entire application works. Okay, so first, to analyze any trading pair, you come to the settings here. Okay, in the market settings, you can see crypto, forex, and metal pairs. So these are the crypto pairs here. We have the forex pairs, then we have the metal pairs. Okay. So in this case, I want to analyze BTC USD. So I'll select it here. Then I can select the time frame I want to analyze. Okay. So I'll say 15 minutes. Okay. So you can see the chart is currently in the set time frame, BTC USD and 15 minutes. So all I need to do is to click on the analyze button, okay, which will start the analysis. Okay, so the here is the analysis results. I got a grade C long setup for BTC USD. Okay, so it has given me the entry point, the stop loss, and the take profit points, TP1, TP2, and TP3. So the confidence for this trade is low. It's a low probability trade, which gives me 46%. So it is unlikely that I will go with this trade because it is actually a low probability trade. So you can see the warning here, below minimum confidence threshold, 70%, trade not recommended. So the analysis will tell you the it tells you that any trade setup below 70% is not recommended. Okay, so you can see the market sentiment. Okay, I can also see the AI analysis for the trade setup. You can see the technicals. Okay, and here in the history, you can see history of previous analysis done. Okay, so that's that for the trade analysis. On the chart, you can see it has printed the levels, the entry level, the stop loss, and the take profit levels. Okay. So for instance, if I want to take this trade, maybe after doing my own analysis, I found out that okay, this trade setup is it aligns with my own analysis. I can decide to take the trade, and from here I can monitor, I can monitor the trade setup, okay, to know how it is going. I can also come here to click on this camera icon to take a screenshot of the trade setup. You can see it has downloaded the screenshot to my device by clicking the camera icon. Okay, so that's that for the uh, analysis, manually analyzing any trade currency pair. So the next feature I want to talk about is the market scanner. Okay, now the function of the market scanner is to scan every currency pair in order to find a high probability trade setup. Okay, the difference between this and the manual scanning is that when you're scanning a particular currency pair to get a trade setup, okay, but the uh, market scanner automatically scans every pair to find a high probability trade setup. Okay, so all you need to do, you can either click the scan button here or you come down here. Okay, this was the previous analysis we just did. You scroll down to this place where you have scanner, okay, and click on scan. Okay, so right now it is currently scanning all the 20 pairs, currency pairs within the application, okay, for a high probability trade setup. Okay, so once the scan, okay, so you can see it has given us a grade B setup for Euro USD and AUD USD. Okay, so it says we can go short for AUD USD and Euro USD. Okay, All right. So know that this uh, application, it works just like the forex market, 24/7. Okay. So it doesn't matter if it is weekend. It sees into the forex market. What is currently playing out in the forex market. So currently it is saying the uh, Euro USD and AUD USD is selling, so that we should place a short. So all we need to do is, for instance, this is the setup it gives us for Euro USD. It says we should enter at this level, stop loss, and it gives us the three take profit levels. Okay, so that's how the uh, market scanner works. So if there are other high probability trade setups, it also lists them in this opportunities tab, so you can choose which trade setup you want to go with after doing your own analysis, of course. Okay. So the next part of this application I want to talk about is the market intelligence. Okay. So what the market intelligence does is that it gives you um, idea an idea of what is going on in the market based on economic events, uh, things like from it gathers information from websites, magazines, and other economic sources on the internet. Like you can see, investing.com is one of the sources it gets this information from, and it gives you the impact of that particular news on a currency pair. For instance, this particular news of Goldman on the dollar, it says USD JPY is up while Euro USD is down. So this tells you you can go long on USD JPY, or you can short Euro USD. Okay, so you can see all other information. You can see this one. It says Bitcoin at a high worst weekly root since FTX collapse as crypto shared $390 billion. So it says extreme impact. It says you can short BTC or ETHUSD, but its recommendation is that you should avoid trading at the moment. Okay, this was 6 hours ago. It says you can long BTC at that time. Okay, you also have feeds where you can get feeds of economic events and news. This is the economic calendars. Currently, there are no events. Then we have also the crypto investment AI, which gives, okay, so you can see in the crypto investment AI tab, you can see the trending cryptocurrencies, which is recommended to invest in. So it's saying you should buy BTC. Okay, take profit at 65,000. It also says you should buy ETH, take profit at 1750. It says you should buy BNB. It says you should buy Tron. You can see the risk level for all these recommendations. They are medium risk. Okay, here it says you should buy this figure Helloc with low risk. It's currently at $1.03. Okay, you can also see it says you should buy hyper liquid, medium risk, and so on. Okay, so that's the crypto investment AI section. Okay, so that's that for the market intelligence. Currently, there are no economic events because this is a weekend. So, okay, let me just do a refresh to see if any event will show up in the economic calendar. Okay, so nothing yet. Usually, you see economic calendar and its interpretation, a beginner friendly explanation of each economic event, the high impact and medium impact events. It will explain it, telling you what impact those events has on any particular currency. Okay, so that's that for this uh, part. So guys, if you are interested, this application, I am actually putting it out for sale. Okay, to anyone who is interested to own the app. Okay, I built this app with AI. Okay, so I can easily transfer ownership to any interested buyer. Okay, you own the sole right to use this application. So if you're interested, you can message me via the contact details I'll put in the video description. Okay, if you also want me to build any application for you for any purpose, you can also contact me. All right, thank you for watching this video.